In Krita, you can create grids super quick using a filter. Go to Filter menu and then Start GMIC QT. In here, go to Arrays and Tiles and Chessboard. In Chessboard, then go up here and set the first size to 1. And you'll get these thin lines. That's the grid for you. You can also modify the second size. You can increase that or decrease it. But the key setting, opacity, just set that to 1. So just set that to 1. You've now got black and white, which is the second colour and first colour. If you want, you can change that. So click here and maybe go, say, for blue. And once you've got that, click OK. You can also change the angle, so you can set it, say, at 36 or 0 as the default. And then click OK down the bottom. And there's your grid, super quick in Krita. Also use the chessboard to create all kinds of other effects. So let's just go to first size and increase that. And you've got a lovely checkerboard design. You can change it, 35, change the second size, get all kinds of different effects. Now, unfortunately, you don't get the thick lines, all continuous with white, but you've got this blue and white there. Also, you can change the angle and also change the second offset and also change the first offset to create different designs as well. You can also randomize it as well. Just click here and you'll create all kinds of different grids in that way. However, the opacity will also be updated. So just change that to 1 if you want and then click OK. Or if you want to apply it directly to the document, click Apply. So just click OK and there's your grid very quickly. You can apply this, of course, to any layer. So if you've got this layer, you can always apply it to another layer and then combine them using blending modes in the layers panel to create even more unusual and interesting grids. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new videos all the time about Krita. Bye.